Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best of interior design inspiration. In this video, we take you on a virtual tour of 50 stunning green bedrooms that feature a color scheme. Green is such a calming and soothing color, making it perfect for a bedroom. So, whether you're going for a bohemian, coastal, minimalistic, elegant, kids, biophilic, or modern look, I got you covered. Green is known to symbolize growth, tranquility, and harmony, making it a perfect color for bedrooms. If you're considering using green in your bedroom, here are some tips to keep in mind. Now, I know you might be wondering how to incorporate green into your own bedroom. Well, I got you covered there too. First, consider the shade of green that best suits your style and preference. Lighter shades such as mint and sage green can create a soft and calming ambiance, perfect for a modern or Scandinavian bedroom. Bolder shades like emerald and forest green can add drama and sophistication. Ideal for a traditional or glamorous bedroom. Second, balance the green with neutral colors such as white, gray, or beige to create a harmonious and balanced look. You can use green for walls, bedding, furniture, or decor. Join us as we explore 50 stunning bedrooms that showcase the versatility and elegance of the color green. Let's get started. Pastel Paradise. Our first bedroom is Pastel Paradise. The soft mint green walls create a serene and calming atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. The white furniture adds a touch of elegance, and the floral accents brings a hint of nature into the room. Here is a watercolor painting I did of my own green bedroom. As you can see, I've incorporated various shades of green along with other complementary colors like white and beige. Botanical Bliss. Next up, we have a Botanical Bliss. The stunning green botanical theme wallpaper creates a lush and vibrant backdrop for this room. The green bedding and natural elements such as potted plants and wooden furniture complete the fresh and rejuvenating look. Emerald Elegance. Now let's take a look at some Emerald Elegance. The rich emerald green walls exude luxury and sophistication. The gold accents such as the chandelier and mirror add a touch of opulence, and the flush textures of the bedding and furniture create a cozy and inviting ambiance. Vintage vibes. For those who love vintage vibe, this bedroom is a dream come true. The sage green walls evoke a sense of nostalgia, and the vintage furniture and retro decor complete the throwback look. This room is perfect for anyone who wants a unique and eclectic style. As you can see, green is an incredibly versatile color that can be used in a multitude of ways to create diverse and captivating bedroom designs. Whether you prefer a bold and dramatic look or a soft and calming ambiance, there's a green theme bedroom for everyone's taste. Wasn't that an amazing showcase of 50 beautiful bedrooms in green schemes? From pastel paradise to botanical bliss, and from emerald elegance to vintage vibes, green can truly transform a bedroom into a serene and refreshing oasis. I've added some green plants to bring a touch of biophilic design and some unique decor elements to add some personality into the space. Finally, here's a 3D render of my green bedroom, which gives you a better idea of the layout and the design elements used in the space. As you can see, green can be incorporated in so many different ways and different palettes to create a beautiful and calming bedroom. We hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration for your own green theme bedroom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know which green bedroom was your favorite. See you next time, and thank you for watching.